Hi, Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Count Your Blessings. Hope you all are doing good. Today I'm taking part in the Outdoor DIY and Decor challenge hosted by Christina from the DIY Mommy. I'll link her channel and a playlist in the description box. Please be sure to check out all the other lovely entries. Now without further ado, let's get started. For my entry, I'm reusing and repurposing this welcome sign that I actually made for another challenge. I'll link the video in the cards above. So since I actually stuck them with the hot glue, I'll be able to remove them easily. I'm going to have this burlap ribbon and this welcome sign on it, and I'm just going to change this bottom part. Now that I have a clean surface to work with, I have these ribbons, and I'm going to choose a few of them and hang them down. If you've been following my channel for a while, you know that almost all my projects are simple and easy to recreate. Let me know if you like simple and easy projects or something that takes a lot of effort and a lot of patience. Now that I've chosen my ribbons and cut them into small strips, I'm turning the wreath over, and I'm going to hot glue it to the back side of the frame. Now that I've added them to the back, this is how it looks. And this side I already have some flowers, and I'm going to attach some flowers to this side. And you can leave it this way with the tails all haphazard, or you can give it a nice V tail. That will also be good. Or you can add this greens to give it a nice green touch. Well, hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Let me know which type of this wreath form you liked in the comments down below. Please be sure to check out Christina's channel and the playlist for all the other lovely entries. Thank you, Christina, for this wonderful challenge. And until next time, take care, God bless, bye-bye. Smile Jesus loves you.